today we're going to be doing another one of these videos, and I'm back with a new video that is about how to get cool stuff for free. And I make a video previously on my YouTube channel about this only, but there were two websites in that video. But today I will show you one application which can help you in this topic. So without wasting time, let's begin to my mobile.
I'm sorry, I'll try harder.
We are at my mobile screen, and as you can see the thumbnail of it, and we will click on this for starting the application. And I didn't show you how to register because the process was very easy too. So we just have to enter a mobile number, it will send you a OTP, and after that we have to write our first name and last name. After that, if you have a referral code, you can enter it, but if you don't have it, you can also log in this without the referral code also. So we have to bid on some products on this website, this application. As you can see, the first ad, iPhone X ad, and we have to get 10 coins for bidding in this. So I bid for 26.7 rupees in this contest, and if my what I can say, my bid is leading, it will show you like this. Understand Tech is leading the queue, so it will show you like this. And I also bid on a 9 light. So we have to collect the stars, and how to collect the stars, so I will show you. In the down of the application, you will get 5 options: spin, and earn, and you will get 4 times watch and earn will give you every time 100 stars when you watch a ad. And after that I will show you how to spin the things. So there is no spinning here, so because I spin my what you can say treadmill this time only, so I don't have any spinning thing. So and on the next day I will get the spinning thing to spin, and I got 10 coins from the spin. So it will be very easy for playing, and you can get the products like 1 lakh to 2 lakh for 30 to 32 rupees. So it is a very nice thing to download. So after clicking on this advertisement, it will show you like this, and we have to enter our bid here. If I have enough coins, I can enter the bid. So after putting all the things, you can go click on the go bid. So this much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will give some interesting videos on my channel. So subscribe my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified with me, and be with me, and be awesome, and be some techie, and don't forget to subscribe it for more interesting videos. So if you didn't watch my previous video like this only, so go and watch it. I will give the link in the description. So till then, have a great day, and always keep smiling. Thank you, guys.